Hello, health-conscious viewers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's as sweet as it is controversial: sugar. Join us as we explore the ins and outs of this ubiquitous ingredient, its effects on your health, and how to make mindful choices when it comes to sweeteners. So, whether you've got a sweet tooth or you're simply curious, grab a healthy snack, and let's uncover the secrets of sugar. Sugar is an organic compound known as sucrose, which is found naturally in many foods, especially fruits and vegetables. It is widely used as a sweetener in the food industry and is added to a variety of processed products, such as soft drinks, candy, cakes, and canned foods. Sucrose is composed of two simple sugars, glucose and fructose, which are chemically bonded. When we consume foods that contain sugar, such as fruits or sugary products, the body breaks down sucrose into glucose and fructose using digestive enzymes. Glucose is an essential energy source for the human body. Once it is absorbed into the bloodstream, cells use glucose as fuel to carry out various metabolic functions. It is particularly important for the functioning of the brain, as it is its main source of energy. The body has regulatory mechanisms to keep blood glucose levels within a normal range. When we consume sugar, blood glucose levels rise, which triggers the release of insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas. Insulin helps glucose enter cells and be used as an energy source. In addition, it promotes the storage of glucose in the form of glycogen in the liver and muscles for later use. However, consuming excess sugar can have negative effects on health. Excessive sugar consumption has been associated with the development of various diseases, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, tooth decay, and metabolic syndrome. When a large amount of sugar is consumed regularly, excess glucose in the blood can lead to weight gain and body fat accumulation. This is because the body stores excess glucose as fat, which can contribute to the development of obesity. In addition, excessive sugar consumption can negatively affect insulin sensitivity. Chronic exposure to high sugar levels can lead to insulin resistance, which means cells become less receptive to the action of this hormone. This can lead to an imbalance in blood glucose levels and increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Excessive sugar consumption can also contribute to the development of heart disease. High intake of added sugars has been associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease, including high blood pressure, high triglyceride levels, decreased HDL cholesterol, known as good cholesterol, and increased LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol. In addition, excessive sugar consumption is linked to an increased risk of tooth decay. The bacteria present in the mouth feed on the sugars and produce acids that damage tooth enamel, which can lead to the formation of cavities. Another detrimental effect of excessive sugar consumption is the increased risk of developing metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is a combination of risk factors including abdominal obesity, elevated blood sugar, high blood pressure, high triglyceride levels, and low HDL cholesterol levels. These factors significantly increase the risk of developing cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. Importantly, not all sugars are created equal, and that excessive consumption of added sugars, such as those found in processed foods and sugary drinks, is particularly harmful. These added sugars are often consumed in large quantities without providing significant nutritional value, which are known as empty calories. To reduce sugar consumption and improve health, it is recommended to follow some guidelines. Read food labels, familiarize yourself with the different names of added sugars, such as high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, dextrose, and more. Avoid foods that contain high amounts of added sugar. Eat natural, unprocessed foods. Opt for fresh, natural foods, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods usually contain natural sugars that are accompanied by fiber and other essential nutrients. Limit consumption of sugary drinks. Sugary drinks, such as soda, packaged juices, and energy drinks, are a significant source of added sugars. Opt for water, infusions, or natural juices without added sugar. Control the consumption of processed foods. Processed foods usually contain high amounts of added sugars. Read labels and choose products that are low in sugar or look for healthier alternatives. Cooking at home. Preparing your meals allows you to control the ingredients and reduce the amount of added sugar in your recipes. Gradually reduce sugar consumption. If you are used to consuming large amounts of sugar, you can gradually reduce your intake to accustom your body to less sweet flavors. In conclusion, sugar is a compound present in many foods and beverages that provides energy to the body in the form of glucose. However, excessive consumption of sugar, especially in the form of added sugars, can have negative health effects, such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and tooth decay. Reducing sugar consumption and opting for a balanced and healthy diet are essential to maintaining good health. Some tips for reducing sugar intake include reading food labels, consuming natural and unprocessed foods, limiting sugary drinks, controlling processed food consumption, cooking at home, and gradually reducing sugar intake. It's important to remember that sugar is not only found in obviously sweet products, such as cakes and candy, but also in seemingly healthy foods, such as yogurt, cereals, and packaged sauces. Therefore, it is critical to read food labels to identify sugar content. In addition to reducing sugar intake, it's important to consider other aspects of a balanced diet, such as eating a variety of nutritious foods, including fruits and vegetables, limiting processed foods and saturated fats, and staying hydrated. It is possible to enjoy sweet flavors moderately and healthily using natural alternatives to added sugar, such as cinnamon, vanilla, fresh or dried fruits, or natural sweeteners, such as stevia or xylitol. These alternatives can add sweetness to foods without the disadvantages associated with excessive sugar consumption. Remember that consulting a health professional or nutritionist can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific needs. And there you have it, an informative journey through the world of sugar, from understanding its impact on health to learning how to make informed choices about your sweet indulgences. With this knowledge, you're better equipped to enjoy sugar in moderation while prioritizing your well-being. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family. We value your insights, so don't hesitate to drop your questions and experiences in the comments section below. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you're the first to know when we bring you more enlightening insights on nutrition, health, and making the best choices for your lifestyle. Thanks for joining us on this intriguing exploration of sugar. Remember, just like savoring a sweet treat, knowledge empowers you to make the best decisions for your health. Stay curious, stay mindful, and keep living your sweetest, healthiest life.